All right, percussionists, we're going to talk through air playing this. Basically for us, instead of us doing some sort of like ta-ah motion, we're actually going to be just using like hands in the air or hands on the chest. This is kind of like just to get our major muscles moving. Now this air playing technique works really good for things that are actually achievable on our chest or on our leg or on a table without drumsticks. It doesn't work real well as you start to go really, really fast or with double stroke rolls or something. So this technique needs to be supplemented with practice on a drum pad or a drum. So it's not a perfect technique for us, but it does alleviate a lot of the big, large motions. So keep that in mind. We're just going to go straight into it. So here is Band Daily Habits for snare drum. Ta 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 ta. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta. Make sure you alternate, get these changes right. Ta 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 ta. Here's the next section. Ta 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 left ta 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 left ta 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 ta. Here's the 16th notes twice as fast. Ta 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 ta. If those 16th notes caught you off guard, they're kind of hard. Take the video, isolate that section that I just did, and use the quality button, the cog wheel, the settings button, and turn down the speed to like 75 or 50% and practice with me during those 16th notes. Just think of them as 4 inside of a beat. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That'll help line those up. Other thing about when you're doing those 16th notes, you'll be seeing a lot of like right, right, left, left. That's a double stroke builder exercise. I'm just trying to get your hands moving fast. We need to be able to move those hands quickly. Right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So practice those things separately. Practice them in small doses. Slow them down and speed them up. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, and get it faster and faster and faster so you can achieve those in real time. All right, guys, if that helped, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. All right, talk to you later.